How to hide tags on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Instagram application. Now, simply create a story. For example, I will simply share this video in my story. Tap on add to story. You can also go to the plus icon and share your story of your preferred choice like your photos, videos from your gallery. After that, what you will have to do in order to mention is simply tap on the screen, then tap on this mention icon, select the person that you want to mention, tap on done, and as you can see, it is now currently visible. But if you want to make it invisible, drag, you can pinch it and then it will be very small. But if you do not want this to appear as well, you can hide it behind the main screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.